Hey, this is Ross with ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're at Wesley Chapel and we are going to start a two-car garage with baseboards. See, the baseboards here are very low, but we're gonna make it all work. It's gonna look nice. Just have to follow the natural contour of what's here already. So this slab is pretty flat. So we're gonna have to break up this cap for sure, but otherwise the slab itself is flat, which is nice for a change. So this lead edge we're gonna clean up. This is rounded over okay, but we'll probably put a little bit more of a round over on there. And so far that's really the only major flaw you see in the floor. So let's get started. Okay, so we have our baseboards in, we have our repairs in and ground back. The baseboards look pretty nice the way they flow. Even though they're two different heights, it's just natural flow. So we have our epoxy all ready to pour. We have our chips all ready to broadcast. So let's get this floor in. Okay, so we just finished up our two-car garage, Wesley Chapel. This is a polyaspartic top coat, baseboards, full chip, written lifetime warranty floor. This color is Sable. This is what the baseboards look like in the end with the two different heights. It looks really good. And here's what our lead edge looks like. It's nice as you can see the sun on the polyaspartic. Looks really good. Looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.